Meaning of imaginer.
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 Imaginer. The term imaginer is a portmanteau of imagination and engineer, which refers to a person who combines technical knowledge with creative thinking to design innovative solutions. Imagineers are typically found in the field of theme park and attraction design, where they create immersive, interactive experiences for guests. They use a blend of engineering, storytelling, and artistic design to transport visitors to fantastical worlds and bring their dreams to life. Imagineers are known for their ability to push the limits of what's possible and deliver unforgettable experiences that captivate and inspire audiences.